Realme C11, bigger battery, endless fun. Realme smartphone, dare to leap.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Realme C11 is equipped with 5000 mAh battery with reverse charging, MediaTek Helio G35, 6.5-inch HD Plus mini drop full screen, 13 plus 2 megapixels dual camera with nightscape mode, 2 plus 1 SIM slot with dedicated micro SD expandable up to 256 gigabytes, stylish geometric design with vivid naturalistic colors. So, how much is this Realme C11 cost? It is priced at only 429 ringgit for its 2 plus 32 GB variant. Malaysians can purchase it exclusively at Realme flagship store in Shopee with the free gift of Realme Buds 2 on 7th of July.
To our fans who prefer getting them at Realme authorized dealers,
Realme C11, bigger battery, endless fun. Realme smartphone, dare to leap.
You